ready?
Come on, Belly!
Swings the bat like this.
Really?
Not a pickaxe, dude.
Have you ever played baseball before?
That'd be fun.
You know you're supposed to go like that instead of... Oh, yeah.
It was better than Richard's saw.
Did you go a second time or no? Just one? One.
It was like
A lot more.
Master Sergeant was
You
at
have to
sign,
retire all
and
those
Master
things.
Sergeant was pitching. He was like this.
I don't know, bitch. Stop.
So scared.
Come on, Belly! Belly!
But it's a softball.
Có bà Belly Vang, Belly Vang. Belly Vang. Andy, có bà Belly Vang.
Come on, Belly!
Không phải nào tao.
Billy!
Nah, he's gonna catch it.
I did not catch it.
Come
Come on, Belly!
Belly, come on.
Just let go and go like Mach 4.
Still there.
Close your eyes 3 seconds. No, she's still there.
Whoa, scary. Headbutt the wood.
Good job, Billy.
I already did it. And I don't want to hit it now. You go hit it. Don't come at me just because I want somebody's face to make contact with the wall.
What?
There's nothing wrong with that. It's just...
Sorry.
She made it her business.
Is
Now
it?
you tell her.
No.
Doesn't matter.
What's your name?
Doesn't matter. She just made it her business. Now you tell her what you're talking about, right? Right?
She's just like...
He's trying to stick up for you.